if we're gonna play games, I'm gonna need a cup of coffee.
Ah, the good cop, bad cop routine?
Not exactly.
Never start with the hat. The victim gets all fuzzy. He can't feel the next... See?
You wanted me. Here I am.
I wanted to see what you'd do. And you didn't disappoint. You let 5 people die. Then you let Dent take your place. Even to a guy like me, that's cold.
Where's Dent?
Those mobfuls want you gone so they get back to the way things were. I'm gonna make this pencil disappear. Ta-da! It's gone. Oh, and by the way, the suit, it wasn't cheap. You ought to know, you bought it. Sit.
I want to hear proposition.
Let's wind the clocks back a year. These cops and lawyers...
You wanna know how I got these cars? My father was a drinker and a fiend, and one night he goes up crazy then neutral. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. He doesn't like that. Not one bit. So, me watching, he takes the knife to her, laughing while she does it. He turns to me and he says, "Why so serious?"